What is going on today, guys? Today I am going to head off to Archer's and I'm going to test drive his cop car. Yeah, I don't know how that's going to go. We're going to see, but I'm running late as I always am because I am totally on track of everything in my life. So, cold start on the Mini and then I got to book it. Okay, so Archer's been on the channel a couple times. He's got the Taurus SHO that you guys have seen. He's got the Suzuki Cappuccino that was in silence. He's got the Suzuki Cappuccino that's been in a couple videos. And he's also got his favorite car, which is not a cop. It's a retired Ford Explorer cop car. That's what I'm driving today, as well as his Taurus. But I need to be at his house in 15 minutes, and it's 35 minutes away. So, this is what we gotta do. Gotta floor it. I have just one question. Yeah? What do your neighbors think when they see this?
I really don't know.
I mean, it's probably better to not ask.
Yeah.
Let me out. I'm trapped. I don't know how I got arrested, but I got arrested. Oops, I messed up. Explain me a cop car.
So basically, just don't press any buttons while you're driving.
Good to know.
Yeah. You could put those guys on up there.
That's not legal.
Put those guys on up top.
Which also isn't legal.
You could do a lot. You could turn the siren on.
Definitely not legal.
Yeah.
Cool.
But, you know, it's fun. And our first stop is going to have to be the gas station.
Yeah, like it's an actual legit cop car. Complete with that. I have to get used to driving a big car again because Mini Cooper. I should clarify that Crown Vic you saw is not Archer's, it's Danny's, because Danny just bought a Crown Vic to rent for Turo, because why not? And so because of that, Archer, being the fact that Archer loves cop cars, is renting it from Danny. Danny is the same Danny who rented me the Porsche for Copwood Pass a couple months ago. This is the funniest thing in the world. Nobody's daring to go above the speed limit right now because I'm in a giant cop car. I love this. This is too much power for me to have. I should not be allowed to have this much power over other people on the road. Because when I have this much power over other people on the road, it's dangerous. Nobody's daring to go over 35. This is fun. I can see why Archer likes this. Also, the plan is to do that same road that we did back with the Cappuccino in my Mini, the accidental dirt road, intentionally this time.
What's up?
Hey! This ain't gonna go well. Cop cars are not fast, in any sense of the word. Y'all have no clue. We're on the highway now, and there's a Camaro in front of us. Y'all have no clue how much I just want to punch it and fly up on this Camaro at like 95 and just watch him freak out. Like, tell me that wouldn't be the funniest thing in the world. Just, Camaro moves. I really want to do it, and I'm kind of doing it, but like not bad. Archer's just sticking with me, so he doesn't care. This is so much power for somebody with my dumb ass to do. Hello, Camaro. Check out that view, though. Damn, Colorado's out here flexing. That looks so good. Also, he's slamming on his brakes. Literally indestructible, like invincible in this car. This is so funny. Like, this is the dumbest thing in the world. I should not be allowed to be in this car. Now I want to buy one because everybody gets out of the way. And here we are back on that same super twisty road. I don't do big cars on twisty roads, so this is probably dangerous. But once it gets on the dirt, this is gonna be just stupidly fun. I'm gonna try and not roll his car. I don't think he'd appreciate me rolling it. So this actually handles surprisingly well. It does not have any power whatsoever for the fact that it weighs about as much as a bus. But it can take corners surprisingly quicker than I expected. Definitely not fast, considering... yeah, not super fast. So when we came through here about a week ago, it was complete ice and crap, and now there's no ice and it's just dusty and washboard. This is a different.
How'd you like that?
I should not be allowed to have this much control over the road. Just people getting out of my way, that was the funniest thing in the world. I sent a picture to a couple friends and they're like, why do you have a cop car? I'm like, a friend has a cop car. He's like, yeah. Why does your friend have a cop car? I'm like, I don't know, he has 3. Why does he have 3 cop cars?
Because I need them.
Exactly. Everybody needs cop cars. After being able to get down the road with everybody getting out of the way, I think everybody needs a cop car.
Yeah.
Okay, so Archer tells everybody that the Taurus SHO is half of a cop car. Explain.
So, if you see a Taurus police car, it's a 50-50 chance it's going to be either the SHO engine or it's going to be this engine. And basically, I call it the downgraded Taurus SHO if it has this engine, because it's going down the quarter mile about a second and a half slower. It has a different transmission gearing, so that changes that aspect, and then it has front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive capabilities as the police sedan.
So it's same engine, different transmission.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, so it is basically half of a cop car.
Basically, yeah.
But better. Okay, now I am taking the SHO. Ugh. Okay, I am in this now, which is more dangerous just because it's now a faster car. So I can do this, which is on a dirt road, terrifying and fun at the same time. I'm gonna whip it around this corner. Ready. Boot it. Yeah, you can just like slide. Oh my God, Archer's drifting the cop car. Yeah, Archer knows how to drive that cop car. This thing is significantly quicker because, you know, it's got a turbocharged. Whoa. It's got a twin turbo V6, so it's decently quick up here at altitude. I can't believe I took my Mini on this and Archer took his freaking Cappuccino. Like, that was so dumb of us. This thing's got surprisingly good traction since it's on like mud, snow, off-road tires. I need something 4-wheel drive so I can do like stupid slidey stuff off-road. Because off-road stupid slidey stuff is fun. Just... whoa. Yeah, this thing is so much faster than my car. I wasn't recording any of that. Dang it. You missed me do a 0 to 60. Oh, hello. And basically explain I can't take as much speed through a corner in this because it weighs as much as my Mini, or way more than my Mini, like twice as much. But I can still send it. Okay, first off, I formally apologize for my hair. I was driving with the windows down. Second, the SHO is a nice car. It's really comfortable and it's really quick too. I see why Archer likes it so much. That's the whole thing. I like the cop car more just because it's hilarious in every way. But this is a nice car. Okay, make sure I'm actually recording this time. It's a spot where I can actually floor it. Nothing coming. And go for it. This car's quick. It's not like pin your head back in the seat quick, but it's definitely quick. Much quicker than the cop car. Based on the fact that Archer's now well behind me. So yeah, I'm probably gonna pick it up once something funny happens, like the tunnel. I'll pick it up at the tunnel. And then I'm also going to have Archer explain to me the allure of the Crown Vic that he's renting and why Crown Vics are the best car in the world. Tunnel. Archer blipped the siren. Amazing. Well, that was fun.
Yeah, did you like it?
Yes. It was very comfortable.
Is it fast enough?
Yeah. That's about as quick as Danny's Porsche.
Yeah.
I'll give you this.
All right.
Also, while I'm here, I want you to explain me why Crown Vic is the best car.
Because, you know, it's just a full-size Mustang.
That might be the most cursed thing I've ever heard.
You know, it has the 4.6 early Mustang GT engine. Has upgraded oil coolers, upgraded transmission. And also, just it's a cop car.
All very good points. I can understand now. Yes, it is cop car and beautiful.
Yeah.
I just want to point out, Archer's got like the actual reflective. Like, if I pull out my phone and I shine my flashlight on this, you can see it's the full-on like reflective cop car material. It's crazy. Yep. Completely legal, but
Yeah.
also 100% convincing that it's a cop car.
I mean, if you look at it from the front, if you saw this flying up on you on the highway,
I'd probably get out of the way.
yeah.
And I'm gonna head home. That was fun. The cop car is so beyond stupidly fun, and I don't know why, other than like I get to basically just be like, move, and people move, and like I'm in complete control, and it's stupid. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go give Archer a follow. His Instagram will be in the link below, and you'll have seen it earlier in the video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.